Go ahead. Alright, that's enough. Thank you.
She finally got what she wanted.
If Molly goes near the dish, I bet you Nina's gonna run. You think?
Mm-hmm. Nina loves to eat.
Hey, where you going with that?
She already dirtied the floor.
Where you going with that?
It's okay, Molly. Don't eat any.
Boy, that's a nice Christmas dinner, huh?
I know, right? She likes all the bones she's taking.
Well, no, Princess right now, she would love that.
Why did she
You think Molly... Whoops.
Her bone slid.
You think Molly will let Princess get some if you open the door?
No.
Try, open the door.
Open! No! Princess, what's your food?
Get away, Olivia, get away. Don't play with dogs.
She's not even trying to go there. Princess loves her food. First, she needs to finish that before her real dinner.
Mm-mm. She knows better.
She wants her food.
Molly, come here. Molly. Molly, come here, Molly.
Or else she'll eat that whole thing. Should I pull her away?
No.
Take one. Oh!
Molly. Olivia, don't do that. Don't ever reach for the dogs, okay?
Oh, Molly's mean. Molly's a mean bear.
Kick it.
What?
Kick it.
She's getting her food. Nina can't bite that. Nina, I always say that.
Don't let Nina go over there. Because they will grab Nina. Alright, kick it back from Princess. She's eating everything.
Molly. Molly.
That's enough.
Molly.
Princess ain't gonna let nobody... No, get Nina away from there. She's too little.
Princess is gonna eat all her food.
Huh? I'll get the tray. Hey, that's enough.
Yeah, Nina gets rest, guys. Nina barely had any. Nina, it's okay. Don't be scared. Nina, are you going to hug? Oh my God, you never stop. I gave him a hug and he thinks I'm going to hurt him. And then I try to get a shirt from your cousin.
Guys, get a mop. We gotta clean this floor up a little bit. The dog's made a mess. Come on.
Princess got and I think we already are now. Right there. Should I give a quick bone to Rocky? I have their spoon. Can I put salt, sweet pepper? Should I? Soft, okay.
Yeah.